production of eHomeAssistance.com, where foreclosure is just not an option. Today's discussion, the Obama plan. Recently, we've all become aware of the foreclosure situation, and now that 11 million people approximately have homes that are worth less than what their mortgages are, the Obama has come up with a brave new program to incentivize the banks to start working with the homeowners to short sell or rather even modify their loans. This new program, the Homeowner Affordability and Stability Program. Now, how do you qualify for this program? Well, here are the eligibility requirements. First, it has to be your primary residence. Second, you have to show a loss of income through a loss of job or some other change of circumstances why you cannot pay your mortgage. Also, your house, you should be able to show that your house is underwater. That's not uncommon these days because, as we just said, more than 11 million people's homes are well underwater. Now, what does that mean? Well, if your monthly mortgage if your monthly mortgage payment is 30% greater than your monthly income, you might be eligible for the program. Or if your mortgage is 115% greater than the value of your home, well, guess what? You might be eligible for this new Obama plan. What's the benefit to the bank for working with you on this in this situation? Well, the banks will avoid costly foreclosure. As we all know, foreclosures can be expensive, legal fees, processing fees, so on. And also, there are financial incentives to the bank, okay, that Obama set aside money for them, all right? Now, what's the benefits to you, the homeowner? Well, as we know, the banks got their bailout. Now it's time for the people, the regular working person, to get a little bit. Well, here's the first primary thing that caught our attention: principal reduction. In this program, the banks, if you are successful, they will reduce the principal that you owe on the mortgage, and then they will refinance your loan to an FHA insured loan. Now, what if the HEMP or the homeowner affordability and program doesn't work for you? Well, the government says that you can do a short sale or a deed in lieu of foreclosure. Short sale, of course, is where the bank accepts less than what's actually owed on the mortgage and works that out with you, and then you sell the house to someone else. Or a deed in lieu of foreclosure is where you take the keys and the deed and you turn them back over to the bank. Okay? Now, there are a lot of other questions that you may have with respect to this program, like what if you have a second mortgage, and how much is the new FHA loan when you refinance? Those questions and more can be answered at eHomeAssistance.com.